Okay guys, real quick, first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. So first thing you want to do is to go to settings, and then on the settings you my bad. First thing, you go to control panel, and then you go to hardware, and then you search for mouse. And under mouse you come to change mouse click setting, and on that you see next you go to touchpad. Alright, you click on touchpad, and then you want to go to settings. In settings, if you come here, you see your tab to click. This will not be enabled, so it'll be like this, or maybe like this. So you need to just enable it and then click OK, and that's all. You click on apply and click OK, and that's all. Everything will be fine.